Hi and welcome to Out to Lunch. It's that time of year for parrot fever. It's Parrot Heads 2012. The town is invaded with strange, crazy people with crazy flowered shirts and even crazier hats. Their philosophy is a laid-back island lifestyle with their captain, Jimmy Buffett. It's a week long of fun, music, and land shark. Here are some photos of the week. Brandi, our field reporter, went out on a mission to find Jimmy Buffett at the world's smallest bar.
Check, check. Hey, I'm looking for Jimmy Buffett. We're going to the world's smallest bar to see if he might be there. Let's go, Dan. I heard Jimmy Buffett might be here. I'm looking for Jimmy Buffett. Has anyone seen Jimmy Buffett lately? Welcome. Welcome. This is Brandi Fieser coming at you live for the 21st anniversary of Parrot Head. Welcome to the world's smallest bar on Duval. And this, not the smallest bar, and you are?
The largest bartender in the smallest bar.
That's what I'm talking about. Welcome. So where have you seen Jimmy Buffett lately?
No, last year I saw him.
Damn, I heard he was around. Well, anyway, where y'all from? North Dakota. North Dakota.
Same thing here.
North Dakota. Well, North Dakota. I love North Dakota. And look at this. North Dakota. And you North Dakota too?
And my name is Jungle Greg from Key West, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, man. Cheers, Key West. So here we go. Jimmy Buffett, if you're watching this now, we're looking for you. Yeah, tell me about yourself. Where are you from here, honey?
From North Dakota, around Bismarck.
What are you doing in North Dakota? Freeze?
Yeah, we're freezing up there now, big time.
Welcome to paradise.
Yeah, it is paradise compared to North
Yes,
Dakota.
how do you like the world's smallest bar?
It's excellent, excellent.
Yes, and I got birds on my head. Don't
Yeah, I
poop
see
on
that.
me, please. Don't poop. When a bird poops on you, it's good luck.
Yeah, it's like
How do you like paradise?
Oh, we love it.
Yes.
It's the first time we're down here.
Is it? All right.
Oh, this is paradise?
Is that what
It
they
It
call
didn't
it?
even fly up my nose.
Too cute.
Oh,
So have you guys gone fishing lately?
No.
No, I don't like fishing. I like catching.
You like catching?
Yeah, I don't like fishing.
I like releasing.
Oh my God.
Did I
And
say
we're in
that?
the smallest bar.
Yes. Well, cheers, you two, and thank you for coming out. Connecticut, Massachusetts, Wyoming, Boston. Cheers, you guys. Thank you, big man. Big man from the smallest bar, you rule.
Thanks, Brandi. Here we are at the end of our show, closing out with a little song. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Thanks, everybody, and goodbye.
Morning, I know they'll be hell to pay, but that's alright. I ain't had a day off in over a year. My Jamaican vacation's gonna start right here. If the phone's from me, you can tell him I just sailed away. Pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. I can pay off my tab, pour myself in a cab, and be back to work before 2. At a moment like this, I can't help but wonder, what would Jimmy Buffett do? What would he do? I don't know. What the hell would he do? After 4:20? You'd have to get a shot of tequila, another margarita, a little bit, you know? Then another shot of tequila and probably go, wow. Pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, and I don't care. I don't care. You guys care? I don't care. I don't give a rat's. You know what? It's 5 o'clock somewhere. You want to go around one more time?
Yeah.
You know, you keep going, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that. Let's go to the bridge. I could pay off my tab, pour myself in a cap, and be back to work before 2. At a moment like this, I can't help but wonder, what would Jimmy Buffett do?
I think we should drink something, maybe. Huh?
Wait a minute, I know what Jimmy would do.
Yeah.
Yeah, team deck.
3.
Three. Pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. Yeah, now pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. Oh, I don't care. Oh, I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Only Jimmy would call them navigational beacon jets.
Hey, let's take a little break now.
Yeah. Let's just stay right where we are.